This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever wondered how satellites stay floating in space? Here's the secret. They're not floating. They're actually falling. And if you think that's wild, wait until you hear how fast they're zooming around Earth. Stick around and I'll show you the crazy science that keeps them from crashing down or blasting into space forever. Ready? 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Hey, space detectives. Welcome to the kids' school. My friend Susie asked a really good question. She asked, why don't satellites fall down to Earth? It's a great question. Think about all those amazing satellites up in space. They take pictures of Earth, help us make calls, and even tell us where to go. But how do they stay up there? They don't have magic wings or rockets pushing them all the time. The answer is a little bit tricky, but don't worry, we can figure it out together. It all starts with a force called gravity. Let's learn a little bit more about it. You know how a magnet can pull things towards it? Well, Earth has a superpower kind of like that, and it's called gravity. Gravity is like Earth's invisible superpower that pulls everything towards it. It's why when you jump up, you come back down. Imagine Earth as a giant magnet, and all the stuff around it, like us, satellites, and even the air, are like tiny metal objects. The bigger the magnet, the stronger the pull, and the Earth is a big magnet. This means Earth's gravity is pretty strong. Everything is always being pulled towards the center of the Earth. So how do satellites stay up in space if Earth is always pulling them down? It's a fascinating question that combines the forces of gravity and motion. The answer is that they are moving really fast. In fact, they travel at such high speeds that they can counteract the pull of gravity. The orbital speed of a satellite depends on its altitude, but generally ranges from 7.8 kilometers per second, 17,672 miles per hour, in low Earth orbit, LEO, to 3.1 kilometers per second, 6,935 miles per hour, in geostationary orbit, GEO. Imagine you have a ball on a string, and you start swinging it around in a circle. The faster you swing it, the more it resists falling inward. The string wants to pull the ball inward, just like Earth's gravity wants to pull the satellites down. This inward pull is a constant force, but if you swing the ball fast enough, it will keep going in a circle without falling down. The speed of the ball creates a balance with the inward pull. That's kind of what satellites do. They are moving so fast that they are always falling towards Earth, but they are also moving forward so quickly that they keep missing. This delicate balance keeps them in orbit. This is called orbiting, and it's like a special dance between gravity and speed. The satellite's forward motion and the pull of gravity create a continuous path around Earth. Satellites are like our eyes and ears in space. They orbit high above us, capturing images and data that we can't see from the ground. They help us learn so much about our planet and beyond. Scientists use this data to understand weather patterns, track environmental changes, and even predict natural disasters. Some satellites take pictures of Earth, showing us how our planet is changing. These images can reveal deforestation, urban growth, and the melting of polar ice caps. This helps scientists study things like weather patterns and climate change. By analyzing satellite data, meteorologists can forecast weather more accurately and warn us about severe storms. Other satellites help us communicate with each other. They relay signals for television, radio, and internet, connecting people across the globe. They beam signals back and forth, making it possible to make phone calls, watch TV, and even use the internet. Without satellites, our modern communication systems wouldn't be possible. Satellites are pretty amazing, right? They play a crucial role in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. They're like little helpers floating in space, making our lives here on Earth a little bit easier and a lot more interesting. From helping us understand our planet to keeping us connected, satellites truly are remarkable. Just like we have different jobs to do, satellites also have different jobs depending on what they are designed to do. Some satellites are weather watchers, sending us information about storms, rain, and sunshine. Other satellites help us find our way around, like a giant GPS in the sky. There are even special telescopes floating in space that help us see faraway stars and galaxies. It's like having a giant magnifying glass in space. Each type of satellite plays an important role in helping us understand our planet and the universe better. Sometimes satellites can break down, just like our toys or gadgets. These breakdowns can be caused by various issues, such as technical malfunctions, collisions with space debris, or even solar storms. When that happens, they can't do their jobs anymore. This means they can't send or receive signals, and they might even drift out of their designated orbit. If a weather satellite breaks down, we might not get accurate weather forecasts. This can affect our ability to prepare for storms or other severe weather conditions. If a communications satellite stops working, it might be harder to make phone calls or use the internet. This can disrupt our daily lives and even impact businesses that rely on constant communication. Luckily, scientists and engineers are really smart. They work tirelessly to ensure that satellites remain operational and can quickly address any issues that arise. They build special systems to monitor satellites and fix them if something goes wrong. These systems can detect problems early and help prevent major failures. They can even send commands from Earth to steer satellites or adjust their orbits. This remote control capability is crucial for maintaining the satellite's functionality. It's like having a remote control for a spaceship. This technology ensures that even if something goes wrong, we can still manage and correct the satellite's course from millions of miles away. So there you have it. Satellites don't fall down because of Earth's gravity and their incredible speed. They orbit our planet, helping us learn, communicate, and explore. Space is full of amazing things, and we are always learning more. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and maybe one day you might even work with satellites or even go to space yourself. If you loved this space adventure, smash the like button and subscribe to join our cosmic crew. And should we explore black holes or aliens next?